Welcome to Dependable Flame, where we explore vintage petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacciana, and other useful mechanisms. Make yourself at home. Today we have a 2002 Zippo Windproof lighter featuring Bob Dylan on both sides. One side is an image which I believe has appeared on an album cover or an album jacket. This image, what I would call the front of the lighter. The other is a symbol that I have seen and owned on many pieces of Bob Dylan tour merchandise over the years. The all-seeing eye with the crown incorporated. Very cool. Seems to be fairly scarce. And not only that, but many variations as to what images are together on a lighter. This may be the first one that I've seen that is double-sided. I can't exactly remember. There are about 3 or 4 others on eBay right now. And I don't know that any of them are double-sided. I know that one of them has an image or graphic on the lid of the front. So that would even be something that this one doesn't have. All of them very cool though. One of them that I've seen has a Route 66 logo. I may not talk a lot about my personal preferences for music and that kind of thing, but when it comes to music, for me, Bob Dylan is it. So, for me as a lighter collector, boy, this one would have to rank right up there. Right at the moment, would certainly be my favorite Zippo lighter. If you enjoy watching videos about old petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacciana, and other useful mechanisms, please subscribe to the channel. Please like the video that you're watching. Tell your friends about the channel. Hit the share button, send that link off in a text, email, post it on social media, however it is that you communicate with folks nowadays, and let them get a look at it for themselves. You can leave any comments or questions below the video. We would also appreciate it if you would follow and like us across all the social media platforms. That'll be Dependable Flame or DependableFlame.com on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and of course eBay. This lighter has a high polished chrome finish, and then I believe it's just black paint, black enamel most likely, or maybe it's some kind of screen printing process. I don't know. I don't really know what got the image on there, but it seems to be one color on each side. And as I said, a high polish chrome finish lighter that appears to be brand new. It did have a flint in it, and the flint was grooved, had obviously been struck. So I don't know that I could advertise it as unstruck, but it doesn't appear as though it's had fluid in it or been lit. But I don't imagine that I'm going to be listing this one to sell anytime soon. So the dilemma of how to describe it, brand new, used, pre-owned, whatever those indications are. We're just going to call this one part of my personal collection. I keep showing off the back of the lighter first because I like that image better. I'm not sure why. Maybe because I have seen the other image on commercially produced products like, albums that you saw at Walmart, whereas this image, the tour merchandise image, I only ever saw at a concert or when somebody went to a concert and brought back a hat or a t-shirt or something like that to me. So anyway, I definitely like this side of the lighter better. But this side is pretty cool too. Certainly an iconic image of him at the microphone with his glasses and harmonica. It is H of 2002 when the lighter was produced. I'm not sure what month that is. I believe the insert is marked I of 2002. And it's unremarkable. Just a typical Zippo insert. As I said, it does have a flint in it. And that flint has been grooved. So unless whoever put this flint in the lighter put a pre-grooved one in there just because, I'm guessing this lighter has been struck. So no big deal. When it comes to this old of a lighter, they're all pretty much used. This lighter came in a box, and I believe it's the appropriate plastic 2002 box, appropriate for that year. I don't know that this lighter had a box. As I said, it's some sort of a promo item by Bob Dylan or Columbia Records, or more likely maybe this was tour merchandise. If you haven't been over to the dependableflame.com eBay store, make sure you get over there and check that out. Every purchase that you make benefits HDSA, Huntington's Disease Society of America, with at least 10% of each purchase going to the organization. And we also run 3 penny start auctions each month where 100% of the proceeds benefit HDSA. Free shipping, high bidder gets the lighter, The organization gets the money and everybody is happy. Just as I am certainly happy with this Bob Dylan double-sided Zippo lighter. Until next time.